The View co-host, Sunny Hostin's husband, and
people earning millions suddenly find themselves buried in debt. According to court documents, their liabilities far exceeded their assets, and the numbers were staggering. Reports suggested that even Sunny's substantial earnings from The View barely made a dent in their mounting financial unnecessary surgeries and submit fraudulent medical bills. Prosecutors claim that this network of medical professionals, including Hostin, orchestrated a scheme to exploit New York's no-fault insurance laws, which require companies to cover medical expenses for car accident victims, regardless of who is at fault. American Transit alleges that Hostin took advantage of this system, billing for procedures that were either unnecessary or never even performed. And the potential financial damage? A staggering $450 million, yes, you heard that right.
He was scamming insurance companies from taxi drivers, Uber drivers, and Lyft drivers.
But despite her passionate defense, the controversy refuses to die down. The public remains deeply suspicious, questioning what might really be happening behind closed doors.
Sunny Hostin on The View, Tom, basically implicating her husband in this type of a...
Through his attorney, Dr. Hostin has strongly denied all accusations, dismissing the lawsuit as a groundless attack by an insurance company looking to avoid its financial responsibilities. Sunny Hostin has also come to her husband's defense.
This is big stuff, and so, and thank you for bringing that video. It sure is ironic that she's up there, so.
But this isn't just a story about a fall from grace. It's a cautionary tale about the price of ambition, the cost of maintaining a public image, and the razor-thin line between success and scandal. For the Hostins, the road ahead is uncertain. Their bankruptcy may buy them time, but it won't erase the allegations that have turned their world upside down. And with the legal battle expected to drag on for years, this is just the beginning of their fight. What will Sunny's next move be? How will Emmanuel navigate the legal minefield ahead? The answers to these questions could determine not just their careers, but their legacy. As the curtain falls on this chapter of their lives, one final question remains. Can the Hostins weather this storm? Or is this the end of a story that once seemed destined for a fairy tale ending?
Here's some news for you. The former First Lady has been noticeably absent on her husband's camp.
Sunny Hostin's life seems to be unraveling at a pace no one could have predicted. While the legal chaos surrounding her husband, Dr. Emmanuel Hostin, dominates the headlines, it's only one piece of the storm surrounding her. Sunny isn't just dealing with trouble at home. Her professional career is also buckling under the weight of controversies, feuds, and powerful adversaries. It's as if her entire world is under siege, with scandals and legal battles closing in from every direction. So how did a woman once celebrated for her intellect and moral authority find herself at the center of so much chaos? Let's start with one of the most explosive feuds, her ongoing war of words with Melania Trump. Sunny's sharp tongue has never been a secret to viewers of The View, but her clash with the former First Lady has taken things to another level. It all began when Sunny claimed on live television that Melania despises Donald Trump and is allegedly trying to sabotage his political ambitions. Sunny even suggested that Melania's public remarks on reproductive rights were a calculated move to weaken Trump's campaign and ultimately escape life as First Lady. She doesn't even want to sleep in the same room as him, Sunny quipped on air, adding, she can't tolerate him. While the audience laughed, the Trump camp was reportedly furious. Soon, rumors began swirling that Melania was considering legal action against Sunny and The View. Though no lawsuit has been filed yet, the speculation alone has created a media frenzy. Sunny's critics argue that she crossed the line between commentary and defamation, with many questioning how she could claim to know such intimate details about the Trumps' marriage. Even her co-hosts seemed uneasy. Whoopi Goldberg quickly intervened, reminding Sunny to use the word allegedly. Meanwhile, Joy Behar openly asked how Sunny could possibly know what happens behind closed doors in the Trump household. The controversy has left viewers and even ABC executives wondering, is Sunny's outspokenness becoming a liability?
We haven't seen her, and her description of Donald Trump doesn't track with the reality of what we've seen. And I can't relate to the marriage or if they're even in the same place at the same time. So I don't think that's...
But the Melania drama is just the tip of the iceberg. Sunny's name has also been dragged into a separate ongoing legal dispute involving a former producer of The View. According to reports, the producer, who left the show under murky circumstances, has filed a lawsuit against ABC claiming wrongful termination. While Sunny herself isn't named as a defendant in the case, insiders say that the producer has alleged a toxic work environment on the show, with Sunny's behavior cited as one of the contributing factors. Allegations include claims that Sunny created tension among the staff with her demanding and dismissive attitude, and that her fiery on-air persona often spilled over into off-camera interactions. While these accusations remain unverified, the lawsuit has added yet another layer of controversy to Sunny's already precarious position at the network.
Sunny Hostin of The View, who's constantly raging about race and reparations and how bad America is and its racial past.
And then there's the fallout from Sunny's infamous remarks about uneducated voters, which continue to haunt her. During a heated discussion on the celebrity gossip and updates, goodbye for now.